Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Start by assembling precise ingredients for a balanced honey sauce. 1/2 cup honey, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon soy sauce, and a pinch of salt. Zest 1 lemon and reserve 1 teaspoon for garnish. It brightens the sauce. Use a clean small saucepan and a whisk. If you prefer a measured finish, prepare a candy thermometer to monitor a low cooking target of 160 degrees F. Having all tools beside the stove makes the quick sauce easy and reliable. Heat the saucepan over medium-low and melt 2 tablespoons butter gently, taking care not to brown it. Add 1/2 cup honey and whisk continuously. Keep the heat low and cook for 2 to 3 minutes to thin and meld flavors. Use a candy thermometer and bring the mixture to about 160 degrees F. Avoid boiling and do not exceed 180 degrees F so the honey's aroma remains intact. Remove from heat. Whisk in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 teaspoon soy sauce, then season with a pinch of salt to taste. Once seasoned, let the honey sauce cool to room temperature, where it will thicken into a glossy, pourable glaze ideal for glazing proteins or finishing desserts. Spoon it over roasted chicken or grilled salmon, or drizzle about 1/4 cup over ice cream for an immediate sweet-savory contrast. For variations, fold in 1/4 teaspoon crushed red pepper, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, or 1 tablespoon soy sauce for depth. Transfer to a sealed jar and refrigerate for up to 2 weeks. Reheat gently before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.